Can you believe it, guys? Month and a half in, we're already almost at 100 subscribers. It's an amazing feeling. Thank you so much to all you guys. This wouldn't be possible without any of you. With that being said, I'm gonna give away a small detailing kit. With that, you're gonna get some cloths, some wax pads, as well as a full smooth surface clay McGuire's clay bar kit. This is just gonna shine up your eye. What's going on, guys? So we finally hit 100 subscribers. I can't thank each and one of you enough for this great opportunity. Thank you so much, guys. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, it means so much to me. 100 subscribers, amazing feeling. I know it's not a big number, it's nothing much, but for me it is. This was a small goal I had. Now we're on the journey to 500 subscribers. Next giveaway is at 500 subscribers. Can't wait to get there, guys. So this is the list of all the subscribers who have made their accounts public, so I can be able to see who they are. So we got 47 people out of 106 subscribers who have decided to make their accounts visible. I just want to wish each and one of you good luck. Thank you again for supporting me, supporting the Z. Just thank you. But let's get right to it. I'm gonna be doing the Instagram story for the raffle. I'm gonna be videotaping it on this as well. If you're watching this video by now, I've already done the giveaway, but I did want to share the video so everybody can see who won, and let's get to it. So everybody who was subscribed, who did make their accounts public, so now I use the number generator or number picker on Google, random number picker. Our minimum is 1 and our max is 47, and we're going to ahead and generate. Whoever's number comes up, we're going to go to the list, and that will be the winner of this giveaway. Who is our number 21 subscriber? 21, J VISARI. I'm sorry if I butchered your name, but J VISARI is our winner. Bro, congratulations, man. If you're watching this video, bro, you are the winner. Please reach out to me on via Instagram or YouTube. You can find my email. Hit me up and I'll ship this out to you, bro. Congratulations, man. Jay VISARI, please, bro, reach out to me. Congratulations, my dude. Again, thank you to each and one of you for participating in this giveaway, as well as for subscribing to my channel. It truly makes me feel blessed and amazing. Again, guys, I know it's not big, but it is big for me. It was a goal of mine. I am very happy that I'm this far and couldn't be done without you guys. If you haven't already, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'll link it right here down below. Tune in this Saturday as well to watch a video on the Z. Got something new for it. By the way, guys, don't forget, keep saving your money.